Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about on how to monitor your virtual data room for security threats. Virtual data rooms are secure online repositories where business can store and share confidential documents with third parties in a controlled and secure manner. Here are some of the tips on how to monitor your VDR security threats. Use audit logging. Audit logging is a feature that tracks all user activity in a VDR. This includes things like who access what documents and when they access them and what action they took. By reviewing audit logs, you can identify suspicious activities such as someone accessing a large number of documents in a short period of time or someone logging in to the VDR from an unusual location. Use intrusion detection system, and IDS is a security device that monitors network traffic for malicious activity. An IDS can be used to monitor traffic to and from your VDR. If an IDS detects malicious activity such as an attempt to hack into a VDR, it can alert you so that you can take actions. Use security information and event management system. A SIEM system is a security tool that collects and analyzes data from a variety of sources, including VDRs, firewalls, and servers. An SIEM system can help you to identify security threats and patterns that would be difficult to identify manually. Use security monitoring services. There are a number of security monitoring services that can monitor your VDR for security threats. These services typically use a combination of audit logging, IDS, and SIEM technologies to identify and respond to security incidents. If you do not have the resources to monitor your VDR internally, you may want to consider using a security monitor service. Educate your employees. Your employees should be aware of the security risks associated with the VDRs and how to identify and report security threats. You should train your employees on how to use the VDR securely and how to report any suspicious activity. By following these tips, you can monitor your VDR for security threats and to protect your confidential data. Here are some additional tips for monitoring your VDR for security threats. Monitor user activity regularly. You should review audit logs and other security data on a regular basis to identify any suspicious activity. Be on the lookout for known vulnerabilities. You should keep up to date on the latest security vulnerabilities in the VDRs and other software that you use. So this will help you to identify patches vulnerabilities before they can exploited by attackers. Have a plan in place for responding security incidents. You should have a plan in place for responding to security incidents in your video. This plan should outline the steps that you will take to identify content accesses, eradicate and recover them security incidents. In last conclusion, by following these tips, you can help to protect your VDR from security threats and minimize the damage if incidents does occur. That's all everyone. I hope you will understand this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.